Hi guys, in today's video I will show you that how to fix sound, video and game controllers not showing in your device manager. So first right click on your start and click on the device manager. So when it was open, now here you will have to just look for the sound, video and game controllers, and if you don't find these drivers then you can just click on the action you are seeing on the top. So when you click on that, you will see the option to scan for hardware changes. And if you don't see the scan for hardware changes, then you can click on the any driver and then you can go to the action and then you will see the scan for hardware changes and then you can just click on that. So after that, now you can see if your problem is fixed or not. If sound, video and game controllers it not showing after this step, then you can go with the next solution, which is also the very important to apply. So first click on the action and click on the add legacy hardware and then you can click on the next you are seeing. After that, now you can select the install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Just check this option, click on the next, and here you will have to just search for the driver like sound, video, and game controllers is not showing. Then you can just search for it and just highlight this, click on it, and then click on the next. And then here you can just select your manufacturer, just a little scroll down and you will see the option of Realtek. Just click on that and highlight that, and after that now you can just click on the next and then you can again click on the next and then it will start installing this drivers into your PC, and this process will take little time, so you have to just simply wait for it until this was complete. So after that now you can just simply restart your PC and open up your device manager again, and I am very sure guys after this step your problem is 100% fixed. So if fixed, then please like the video and also subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.